Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about cosine similarities in Maths for AI. Cosine similarities are used to identify the different types of similar news channels or similar movies in online platform. Cosine similarities are two types. One is by using direct method, another one is by using TF-IDF method. Today in this video, I will tell about direct method. Let's go with one example. Case study 1. Movie recommendation based on the plot similarities problem. A streaming platform wants to recommend movie with similar stories based on their description. This side movies, this is description. Movie D1, D2, D3. Description. For D1, young hero save the world from aliens. For D2, a brave hero fights aliens to save the earth. D3, a romantic story about love and friendship. This is question. Let's solve the question. First, we should take step 1 as text processing, pre-processing. We first clean the text. We should convert the every description into lowercase. And we should remove the stop word. Stop word means for example, the, to, and from, etc. Now we should tokenize the words. Tokenize means to arrange the words in order by adding commas. Then we can get in D1 equal to young hero save world aliens. For D2, brave hero fights aliens save earth. For D3, romantic story love friendship. These are the text pre-processing. Step 2, vocabulary construction means unique words. From the description of movie D1, D2, D3, unique words are taken. First, we should write in these square brackets. From D1, D2, D3, the unique words are young, hero, save, world, aliens, brave, fight, earth, and romantic story, love, friendship. These are the vocabulary construction. Step 3, vector representation. Here place is not enough, so I will continue next page. Movies D1, D2, D3. These are the vocabulary construction words. I mean unique words from the D1, D2, D3. The words are young, hero, save, world, aliens, brave, fight, earth, romantic, story, love, friendship. We should write in this order. Movies D1, D2, D3. In D1, young is presented, so we should write as 1. In D1, hero also presented 1. Saves also present, so 1. World also present, so 1. Aliens also present, 1. Brave is not present in description 1, so is considered as 0. Fight also not present, 0. Earth is not present, 0, 0, 0. For description 2, young is not present, so 0. Hero is present, 1. Save is present, 1. World is not present, 0. Alien is present, so 1. Brave is present, 1. Fight is present, 1. Earth is present, 1. Romantic not present, so 0. Story not present, 0. Love not present, 0. Friendship not present, 0. For description 3, young is not present, hero is not present, saves is not present, world is not present, aliens is not present, brave is not present, fight is not present, earth is not present, but romantic is present, so considered as 1. Story is present, 1. Love is present, 1. Friendship is present, 1. This is the step 3, vector representation. Now let us go for step 4, similarity measurements. That means cosine similarity is for A and B is A dot B by mod of mod A into mod of mod B. First we should compare the movies for D1 and D2. Compare the formula for movie D1 and D2. First D1 and D2 means dot product of D1 and D2. 1 into 0, 1 into 1. We got 1. So we should add here 1 into 1 again. So 1 plus 1. 1 into 0, 1 into 1. So 1. 1 into 0, 0. Again 1 into 1. 1 into 0 equal 0. We got 3 numbers. So we have to add these 3 numbers. Here mod of mod D1 means we should calculate how many ones are present in the description 1. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ones are present in description 1. So root 5. For D2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones are presented. So root 6. Now calculate this. 3 by root 30. By calculating entire this, we will get 0.54. Now, now we will compare for movies D2 and D3. For D2 and D3, dot product is 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. Everything we will get zeros. So 0 by anything equal to 0. For D3 and D1, 0 into 1, 0. And everything we got zeros. So 0 by anything equal to 0. These are the similarity measurements. That mean cosine similarities. Let's go for next. Step 5. Recommendation logic. D1 and D2 shares common themes like hero plus, aliens plus, saving the earth. But D3 is a romantic based unrelated to D1 and D2. So we recommend movies D1 and D2 to platform. Thank you. For next video, I will continue for TF-IDF method. Thank you.